What's up, guys? It is late Saturday night. I have to get to bed pretty soon because I have church tomorrow and I work again. But I got a package today from Conn's Ranch, and there it is. And I wanted to do a quick unboxing. So we'll just do a quick and dirty rundown. Packing slip. Domestic warranty and return policy. I forgot about this. 12-month warranty. Let me read this. Conn's Ranch proudly stands behind our products and warrants that every product will be free from defects in materials and workmanship. This 12-month warranty, valid from date of purchase, excludes products purchased from Conn's Ranch outlet or damaged through misuse, accident, modification, unauthorized repair, or failure to follow labeled care instructions, nor is it a guarantee against normal wear and tear. Conn's Ranch will not be able to process an exchange or refund due to sizing or fit, as these do not fall under our warranty policy. All warranty claims must provide a valid proof of purchase. And then they talk about they can't accept exchanges, everything's treated as a return, final sale items are not eligible for return, etc. So there's a little more details about that here. And then they got the return policy on the other side. So that's pretty cool. I don't know of many jean companies that I've ever worked with that have a warranty. They got this, I don't know what to make of this. It matches my shirt, or it could be a villainous mustache. Anyway, it's late. So let's dig into what I ordered here. I hope these fit. This is, they're pretty dark. This is what's known as their Wayne fit, which is kind of a slim fit with, I'm kind of excited about this, with a button fly. It's pretty cool. Most of their jeans are zip fly. So I'm kind of excited about that. So yeah, I'm gonna go duck in the other room real quick and throw these on and see how they look. I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. So let's take a look at these and see how they look. It's gonna tilt down a little bit. These are more snug than I usually wear in a jean. So, but they fit pretty comfortably. They are a slim fit through the thighs and the seat. Haven't even really looked at what the seat looks like, I guess. The 33 waist is a good fit for me. One thing I will add about these is they're not 100% cotton, so they're not just like a straight denim like most of the jeans that I've reviewed and that I wear. They actually are like 1%, I don't know, elastane or something like that. It's basically spandex. So they do have, I don't know if you can see it here. You have a little bit of stretch to them, not just in the waist, but all over, which is kind of nice, you know, for a jean like this that is kind of a little bit more fitted. It does feel more comfortable when you have some give to the jeans. So I kind of like that. I'm not a spandex guy generally. The 80s was a long time ago. Also, these are a size 33-32, which is my basic size in a jean, my true size, I guess. But I don't know if you could see. Let me tilt down here. I have enough length to double cuff these. So now these are not what I think they consider a raw denim, so I don't expect them to shrink too much. Maybe they'll shrink a little in the length, I don't know, but I'm hoping they won't really shrink in the waist because they fit right now just right, and I don't really want that to change. Thank you guys for checking in. Just a quick and dirty unboxing and review. I like these. I like Kimes Ranch. I think they make a good product. It's nice to try a little bit different style. Most of their, from what I've seen, most of their jean styles are more your traditional, like straight leg. I think they have a couple of boot cuts also. For the men now, I'm speaking, they are basically the straight leg or boot cut type jeans, except for this one. And then they have some that are, I don't know, like the James, it's like a rockabilly jean, you know. Now for the women, I just out of curiosity, I glanced over there and they have a whole variety of things for women. I think they have a skinny jean and a boot cut and a straight leg and who knows what else. I don't know what all else. So they have a variety of different fits for the ladies. And they usually have more variety because, you know, women like more fits and, you know, it covers more varied body types for them. So, but they're definitely worth a look if you're looking for an American-made jean that is well-made and doesn't cost a fortune. I'm trying to remember what I paid for these. I think they're around 112 bucks or something like that. Very, very reasonable. I mean, they're not salvage, so, you know, I mean, if you're looking at salvage jeans, you're looking at, I think the basement prices I've seen are 200 bucks a pair. But even for non-salvage American-made jeans, they can get pricey. And from what I've seen, you get what you pay for. I mean, I've tried stuff from Roundhouse and LC King, and they're good for workwear. I think Roundhouse holds their color a little bit better, a little bit longer, and maybe a little bit better material, but both good jeans. They're around 50 to 75 bucks, you know. Actually 50 to, if you look at just the regular 5-pocket jeans from LC King, 50 to 100 bucks, actually 125 now. These guys are kind of right in the middle there. So check them out. They're a great company. I've been pleased with them so far, and I'll let you know down the road how these things have fared after I've washed them a few times, if they faded much or anything like that, but they feel pretty good. And it's kind of nice after the last pair I got from Dearborn that were kind of a disappointing fit. I'm really, really happy that these fit well. Let me know in the comments if you have tried anything from Kimes Ranch. If so, what your favorite fit is, and if there's something you think that I should check out, or if there's another brand of American-made jeans that you think I should look into and check out. Can't promise I'll buy them, but I'll give them a look for sure. Anyway, I gotta get some shut-eye. Church comes early, and right after that, I gotta go to work again tomorrow. So happy Saturday night, Sunday morning. God bless. Dig you later.